Hello everybody! In this video you learn how you can add decal on your model and make it more real. Especially for rendering purposes, it is really useful. First of all, I go to Display Manager tab. You see the appearance of your material in this section, and I choose View Decals. And in this tab, I right click and choose Add Decal. As you see, there is some decal by default are there, and if you have an image, you can easily choose your image here. And in mapping section, just choose the face that you want to see the decal. As you see, you can rotate this, and you see the rotation number here. And make it bigger to fit your model, or you can use these tools as well. As you see, there is a small tab. You can edit decal whenever you want. Make it bit bigger. Now it's ready.